This is unboxing video of Panasonic Lumix S5 case. S5 is a full frame mirrorless camera and its case is very useful, especially when it is on a tripod and additional accessories are being attached to it. And this case has a cold shoe and it weighs approximately around 200 grams. Not so heavy. If you are putting on tripod, you won't even feel it. And this is having all the ports accessible. That's a cold shoe. And there is a nut at the bottom to connect to tripod mount. And there is a Allen key provided. There are several 3 by 8 and 1 by 4 inch slots to connect additional accessories. And for a side handle, it can be connected through strap holes on the top and bottom on the right side. And there is a battery slot as well. So this is quite useful. Thanks.